What is 48 minus 24? Difficult? Let us try and solve it visually by elimination. Bundles are all 10 pencils. 48 is 4 tens and 8 ones. 48 pencils are shown in question. 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. To subtract 20, we have to subtract 2 tens by crossing 2 bundles of 10. To subtract 4, we have to subtract 4 ones by crossing out 4 single pencils. Now we count the remaining. We have 2 tens and 4 ones. We have 24 pencils. There we have it. 24 is the answer. That's how we solve subtraction questions by elimination.